Hey, so I just finished staining all of this beautiful cedar wood right here. What I used was an oil-based wiping stain. What I did was I used a brush to put it on, and then I used dry rags to wipe it off. And that's how I achieved this beautiful look. Now, I'm gonna give you a tip that could save you from burning down your house. And that tip is this. These are the rags that I used. As you can see, they're fully soiled with this oil stain. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these rags and I'm gonna put it into that cut can and I'm gonna fill it up with water. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because the actual penetrating stain has a fire logo on it and it says caution. And when I spin it around, it actually says danger of combustion. Why? Because these rags can self-combust, they can smolder and they can turn into flames if you just bundle them up and put them there. So always dispose of your rags, and the best way to do it is to put your rags in a bucket of water when you're done.